What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Caleb, and today we're in a little bit of a different location, doing something a little bit different, something that we haven't been doing as of recently on this channel. So right now, my family, we are on vacation in Florida, and we're here at Disney World, and we're staying in Fort Wilderness. Check this out. We got a beautiful cabin here. Car is parked in the driveway. Got a nice cabin. Got the charcoal grill, and this site actually has this charcoal fire pit, which is really cool too. And obviously we got a nice deck. But this morning we're going to be heading over to Hollywood Studios, and we have a boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance, which is the new Star Wars ride, which not everybody gets to ride every day, so we're pretty lucky we got a boarding pass. And we're going to get over there and ride on that ride. Plus there's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway that we've never been on before. And yeah, should be a lot of fun, and just gonna keep it vloggy today, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you like Disney World and want to see it, or maybe you just like me and want to see me have a good time. Either way, stick around, stay tuned, and we're gonna have a good time. Welcome to Hollywood. We got our temperatures checked and went through the metal detector. And now we're gonna come up here to the gate and use our magic bands. So I believe we have a pass for Star Wars. We got it this morning for the new Rise of the Resistance. So that's probably where we are heading first. And there is the Chinese Palace Theater right there, dead ahead. Great sight. I love you, Doug. Great shirt. Lots of great shirts in here. Our mom is getting us some new face masks, some of the Disney kind to try.
How big this spork is? Do you think they would have made him life size?
I know that's a lot bigger than a real spork, huh?
Yeah.
I still think it's funny that his name is Forky, but he's clearly a spork. You could have called him Sporky, or you could have just made him a fork. If you wanted him to be Forky, he could have been a fork, but he's a spork.
Well, I think they wanted him to be a fork, but you can't put eyes and a mouth on a fork.
Probably they don't want kids playing with forks either. So spork it is. Ooh. Indiana Mickey. New one. That's not like the one we have. I have one, but mine's the old one. This one's new. Alright. We're coming up on Star Wars land. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Coming down Grand Avenue here. And of course, we're next to Muppet Vision. Alright, this is it. This is the Rise of the Resistance entrance, and we did get our boarding pass early this morning. We'll see. Alright. We're gonna come up here and get our magic band scan. Thank you.
Alright, good luck out there.
Thanks. Here you go. Into the Resistance base. Now, this is probably the saddest thing to me. They've got this beautiful queue line over here, alright? Oh, by the way, this is the Disney mask we just bought. Ace, you can breathe right through it. You can actually see through it. It actually protects you against 0.0% of all particles of any kind. But, you know, it lets me stay in the park, so I'll keep wearing it. But as I was saying, this is probably the biggest shame. They built this amazing queue line for this ride. It's amazing, but nobody has ever gotten to wait in it to really appreciate it. Every time you get on this thing, you have to have a boarding pass, and you more or less walk right on the ride. So you don't get to spend a lot of time in the queue to appreciate it. And it is a marvelous queue if you're a Star Wars fan. Look at this hallway. Look at it. What? Dude, I'm in the movie. I'm in Star Wars right now. I'm in it.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line them and I shall personally see them delivered.
We gotta get you off this path. There's no time to waste.
Dude, I built one of these things out of Legos.
Crossing to transport.
Initiating pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Pakara. Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Round 2, Blue Flag. We got a clear path so transport can make a jump. Ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
By the authority of General Hux, the ship is now under the control of the First Order. Disembark now, make your way for interrogation and process. Disembark means get out.
Holy moly. Shoot, that guy's looking at me. They're staring me down. Holy moly. Crazy. There's our ship. Got pulled right in. Move along.
The other two will be on red. 3 on blue, 2 on red. The shooting here will be on silver.
Oh man. Well, stuff. This is where your R2 unit goes up and plugs this thing in and adjusts it.
You're locking.
All right.
Red, go next.
Blue all the way at the end. We're in the back corner here. We're in the cell.
Quick. Break us out.
Shoot, dude. Dude, they got us locked in here. Oh man, they got us under guard too. How are we gonna get out? Oh man.
Wait. Come on, make a wall here. Curtis.
Yeah. Curtis, you hack us. Hack the computer.
Try it. We'll get there.
Prisoners are secure.
Shoot. Didn't get it done in time.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
Oh shoot.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Shoot. I do not want to mess with him. Oh my god. Short circuiting. Short circuits it. Oh my god. What's happening to the wall? The laser through.
We're gonna get you out. Blue and red, then silver and orange. Blue, follow me.
Awesome.
Blue, you'll be on the front row.
Then we have the recruits.
Base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Ben will guide you. Recruits.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Prisoner transfer. That's right.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Anyone's backing a blaster? Now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Wait, why are you going up? Sit down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Escape. You tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Oh my god.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Bench? Where's the lieutenant?
We're Resistance now.
Line up.
Dude, there's Poe's X-Wing. He was just leading us through that fight, through the dog fight in the sky, got us through. And we're proud members of the Resistance now. We're in the fight, so maybe we'll hop on the Falcon later and do some smuggling too. But woo. All right, so this is the Droid Outpost right here. So as you can imagine, they got a good pile of droids right there. You can go in there and build your own droid if you'd like, or you can buy a pre-existing droid. And we're gonna walk our way into the bazaar here. And I don't know, it is really pretty bizarre. if you ask me. It's weird how calm it is in here from the last time I was here. Last time we were in here, we were shoulder to shoulder with people, and it was a buzz. It was loud, you know? It was loud, and there's a lot of people. Things seem to be a little bit calmer here in Black Spire these days. If you are a Star Wars fan, there's probably nothing cooler than this right here, because legitimately, as we walk up upon the Millennium Falcon, I would swear that I'm in the movie right now. It's like a dream. Guys, it's been like 30 seconds, and in 30 seconds we went from being over there all the way to right here. So in case you're wondering how the lines work, they move pretty quickly, I must say. But in a few minutes, after we loop around this line a few more times, we'll be climbing on up into the Falcon here. And we'll get to sit in the cockpit and actually pilot this thing, so I can't wait. Here's Hondo.
You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
We got the classic space checkers board in here, and we just boarded up onto the Falcon here and get to check it out a little bit. Some storage back there, some space checkers and all that.
You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path.
Okay.
Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you.
All right, Hondo.
Just in case.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan.
I'm aboard the Falcon.
Seated, buckle up, pull that young.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, got the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, in the footsteps.
And here we go, we're off.
That coaxium.
Into space.
Pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Alright, here we go, we're going into battle. Get ready, we're gonna start shooting. That's me,
Take them out. They've got on to us. Take evasive action. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here.
I see her.
There's our ship right there. We just landed her right here in the middle of Black Spire. Smuggled in a little bit of Corellian spice. You know how it is. Gonna send it out, hooking up Hondo with some good smuggling. So it's what we do here in Star Wars. Alright, we're in here inside the shop. You know, the main one. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside so you can see where we are. But one of the coolest things in here that I don't remember from last time is they have a Starlack. This looks like a little baby infant Starlack in a container here for us to look at. So if you're ever wondering what Boba Fett was eaten by, he goes into this thing's mouth, and this is what it looks like underground apparently, albeit much bigger. Out in the desert, but wow.
Nose and mouth, and be worn at all times, except when actively eating and drinking while stationary.
Alright, so right here, this is the store we were just in. It's got this guy outside of it. In case you're wondering, in case you want to go check out that Starlack in person for yourself.
Thank you.
Right inside that door. And right over there is the Falcon, in case you are wondering where we're sitting. We are now hopping in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway inside of the Chinese theater, and they've got the line all outside here, all nice and spread out, which I think is pretty cool, honestly. I'd rather stand around out here. If we can stand around outside and look at things and walk around a little bit, it's better than being crammed inside that building. So, but yeah, anyway, this is a brand new ride. We've never been on it before. And actually, I've never even seen that neon sign before, so that's pretty cool. I bet that looks great at night. All right, we're getting closer to the entrance here. I don't know what it's gonna look like once we get in line. But yeah, they got a huge line. Basically every ride has a big line outside of the ride. And it says the line is like 30 to 40 minutes, and it's usually like 15 to 30 minutes, you know. And so anyway, the lines look worse than they are. It's really not that bad.
I have no problem at all with this.
All right, finally we're at the door. We've been waiting in line just about 30 minutes so far, and that's what it says right here. So I don't know how much further it'll be inside, but it's been 30 minutes up to this point anyhow, or just about. And we're going in. Runaway Railway. This is our first time laying our eyes on it in here, so. All right, inside the theater. Looks pretty much the same as it used to so far for the entrance, just your regular theater motif, and got some different posters for different Mickey shorts on the walls. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this version of Mickey Mouse, the new cartoon, but that's what this ride is based on, so that's why they're advertising it so hard.
Welcome to Runaway Railway. Safety while riding the train. Always stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train cars. And be sure to...
Alright, here's ours. The wait is over. And it was just about 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes to get on this. And here it is. Pretty cool. You could probably fit almost 4 people wide. Pretty big seat, really.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Alright, so my camera just died, so this is on my phone, but there it is, guys. That was a great ride on the Runaway Railway, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the assumption that I'm ending the video right here. Obviously we're not leaving the park. Come on, don't. We're not leaving already. We're having a bang-a-rang day today. We did Rise of the Resistance, Smuggler's Run, Rock and Roller Coaster. That's right, you guys didn't see that because I was trying to save my battery for Runaway Railway. Rock and Roller Coaster and Runaway Railway. So we've really had a smash day, and it's only 1:20, and we got here just about at opening. So, but anyway, I guess we'll end this video here because you guys don't want to watch anything on my phone. At least I don't want to watch anything on my phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume you don't either. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed Runaway Railway. My first time riding it. I thought it was pretty cool. I have to say it looks a lot better with your real eyes than it does on camera. Wouldn't you say?
I think it was much better in real life.
I've seen a few videos of it and I was like, eh, but when you see it in person, it's really impressive. So anyway, thanks for watching.